Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just an update here on MindMed. Look at that. It's on the Nasdaq here today. I should have made a video about this one yesterday, but was too busy and away from the computer. So here we are. It's on my list today. So this is Mind Medicine. As you can see, the ticker used to be MMEDF. I've done videos on this one in the past, quite a few, and some other psychedelics, but now today it's on the Nasdaq, so this should change a lot of look towards psychedelics. Like I've been saying on my other videos, these are ones to watch if you're in EVs, want another sector to get into. I feel psychedelics are the ones to look at. Even Kevin O'Leary, I did an article on him just last week. Did another psychedelic video. He's big into psychedelics. But this is Mind Medicine. As you can see, ticker went from MMEDF to MNMD. And today's the first day, so you can kind of see what it's doing here today. It's this one's been kind of up and down. It's just kind of reacting here. It's hard to say what's going on with it. It could just be because it's on the Nasdaq here, but I'm watching it. If it goes back down here, I'm going to be buying some for sure. So if you don't know what this one is, it's a neuropharmaceutical company that discovers, develops, and deploys psychedelic medicines to improve health, promote wellness, and alleviate suffering. These are not what you think they are. They're not drugs. They're actually drugs to help people with anxiety, PTSD, mental disorders, quite a few different things. They're not just another drug just to feel good. In a sense they are, but it's not like MJ or anything like that. It's not just a drug to get high off of. So these are actual, like it says, neuropharmaceuticals. So psychedelics, so something for you to look into. I'll try to link my other videos in the description so you can watch those as well. So it's quite the opposite of what I thought it was when I first started researching it. I just thought it was another hallucinogenic. And once I started looking into it, it's got a lot of great things that help a lot of people with a lot of anxiety, like I said, PTSD, a lot of things that some other treatments haven't really helped yet. So put these on your radar as they're ones to watch, and I feel they're going to be a big thing someday. So, but average volume of 4.72 million. As you can see, the low today of 410, high of 577, $1.48 billion market cap. So not a whole lot of information on this one in Robinhood yet, as today's the first day going on the Nasdaq. Here's 9 things to know before MindMed hits the Nasdaq on April 27th. So like I said, I should have done a video on this one yesterday, but didn't get it done. So MindMed stock continues its bullish run as it prepares for its Tuesday uplisting on the Nasdaq exchange. Stock has been climbing recently in anticipation of its uplisting to the Nasdaq, and I suppose some people took profits. Could be another thing is what's going on. Company made an announcement that it will be hitting the exchange. Came Friday morning and drove the stock back over 65% in the last trading session of the week. Investors can expect to see these numbers continuing through Monday as the listing grows closer. And what to know about MindMed and MNMD Stock now. MindMed offers therapeutic and mechanical treatments for adults. Company seeks to treat symptoms primarily of ADHD, anxiety, and opioid dependence. So 3 huge catalysts for lots of people with ADHD, anxiety, depressed, stress, alcoholism has all increased thanks to the pandemic last year, and that is another catalyst to watch on this one. MindMed is one of the leaders in the psychedelic medicine industry, a booming sector in the wake of the increasing decriminalization of psychedelic substances. Subordinates voting shares were approved on Friday. The listing will take place, that's actually today. So this is the new ticker. Trading of the stock will continue on the Neo exchange for German Canadian under MMED. The listing capitalizes on the growing interest of psilocybin mushrooms, but the company also produces medicine with ingredients like MDMA, LSD, DMT, and 18-MC. The listing news is boosting not just MindMed stock, but also Numinous Wellness. I've talked about them on the past, and champagne brands. I have not talked about them yet, but they're probably all going to see an increase since MindMed's here on the Nasdaq now. Feel free to pause and go over the rest there for yourself. This is just a look at Yahoo Finance. So not a whole lot to go by here, as today is the first trading day. Here's the volume. Pretty decent volume. Earnings was on March 30th and showing neutral. So still trying to figure out how to project what this one is going to do. I'm bullish on it, so that's all I need to know. I'm in these for the long term, so over here on Reddit, please spread the word about Lion Turtle is doing struggles. Let's see if there's any details here. Who's buying MindMed today? Hold. Hold the line. So basically just getting a bunch of hold signals on that one. If you're patient to hold during those dreadful Omega Red days, you'll be swimming in money. You can decide keep holding on it when the pops out very soon. That's how I feel. So just give it some time here on the Nasdaq, on the major exchanges, and we'll see what happens. Maybe some institutions will start looking at this one. Some bigger players buy up some shares, and they'll start going up. So we'll just have to wait and see. That's just me being optimistic. Again, I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice. Just stating my point of view on these, and I feel these could be the next thing to take off, kind of like MJ stocks. If you follow my channel, you know I'm totally into MJ stocks. Just a couple different comments on here. Nothing really saying if they're bullish or bearish on this one. Here's a bull. Nice recovery today. We close over 5. Buy you pansies. Bull. Here we're getting some bulls. Not sure what these are. If these are other psychedelics, therapeutics, that could be at a quarter. Not too much other information here, and Tip Ranks doesn't have it in there yet, so we'll give that a couple more days and check back. But if you're buying MindMed, or if you bought this dip here at 429, I think the low was 410 today, so we'll see what happens with it here. Might be going back down. Maybe I'll try some at 450. I haven't quite decided yet, but I think it went on here and people took profits and didn't really know how to react, so it's just my perspective for what it's worth. But like I said, if you have this one, go ahead and list it in the comments along with your cost basis. And like I said, I have other videos, numerous videos on MindMed and some other psychedelics. I'll try to list those in the description as well. And if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing. That would really help out the channel, and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is J Money, Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.